Okay, so we've just left Ardrossan. The last time we were here was in 2019 when we tried to do the same circuit that we're looking to do this week. And you head out from Ardrossan up the coast of west coast of Scotland and get the ferry across to the Isle of Bute. And you ride over that island back onto the mainland to a big peninsula that sticks out called the Kintyre Peninsula. And it's got the Kintyre Way on it, which is an off-road route, predominantly off-road route, all the way down to Campbeltown. Across there is the Isle of Arran, which we effectively are going to ride all the way around, bypassing it with ferries and riding around the different coastal areas. I think that's definitely Moxie Love. The last time we came up this way to catch the ferry across to the Isle of Bute, we just stuck to the coastal path. But I spotted a little bit extra you can do to go up a hill called the Knock, which is going to give us hopefully a great view of all the things that we're going to have ahead of us.
So that's that little wee island. That's Arran.
I need to look at the map. So right down the bottom there, where we started at Ardrossan, and we came all the way up this coastline. And that wee island's Cumbria Island, and in the very background is Arran. And then the Isle of Bute starts there, runs all the way along, and our ferry is from down there, which we best go catch. Yeehaw! Oh, right in the chops. Stick right in the face. Going right. We're going up the next one now. Just getting into Skilmorley and to get the ferry, well, the next ferry.
Well, I gave you all my love and I gave you all my trust and I gave you everything that you need. But you only told me lies and you made me realize
ferry from Rothesay. We're going to Rothesay.
No, we're going to Rothesay. We got the ferry from Weems Bay, Scarrow Morley.
From Scarrow Morley. How say it?
Scarrow Morley.
From Scarrow Morley to Rothesay.
Weems Bay.
Yeah, Weems Bay. When we get in, then we'll be heading north and following it out, taking over these couple of hills and up there where we'll get our next ferry back over to the mainland.
Gonna hit the ground running, baby, I'm running, baby, I'm running, 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 running. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can.
So we've come up from the ferry and we're following the West Highland Way, and I did say that right. It is the West Island Way on Bute.
Open the big gate.
There's possibly a reason.
It isn't easy.
It isn't easy. I'm making it look very hard.
You are making it look quite hard.
Right.
Is there something particularly difficult about the big gate?
No. This way is clearly better. Well, this is a single track, is why I thought we'd go this way.
Alright.
Because I think you have to come up here once you get through the gate. But maybe you just go through the gate and then come out here.
There's the hard way, and there's the easy way. Pleasant to be under the trees and a wee bit shaded.
This is a golden single track. So this is us arriving. We've done a coast to coast in the space of about 45 minutes on the Isle of Bute, and we've just come down to Ettrick Bay, which is actually where we camped when we did this trip the last time. We're going to try and push on, catch the next ferry and do another 20-25k and try and get a bit further on day one. That's the post office, Ettrick Smithy. That's incredible.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, yeah, boy, yeah. That is huge. Here we go. Up, up, up.
Only just.
isn't it? Left, yeah. So we're just about to catch the Britain's most expensive ferry at £6. I think it's £6. But the price is per metre. It only goes about 200 metres.
Hi there. The moment is left for
Thank you. So how much was that journey?
£2.
£2?
Or £2.50
Each?
No,
For two people?
for 2 people.
It's a bargain of a sail, even if it was the most expensive sailing boat in the country. Next time, there are toilets on the Kintyre side, so you don't have to miss the whole journey by going to the loo. Went to the loo, dropped the kids off at the lock, and next thing we were on the other side. So where we're going to camp tonight is on the other side of the hills, on the other side of this loch. This is a sea loch called Loch Ridden or Loch Rule. We've got to head up to the top of it before we can get around. How much further to camp? We are here at the end of Loch Ridden. We want to camp down here at these lochs. Maybe 15k?
Yeah, that's about what we'd estimated then.
But it's time for a snack. How many k's did you say that was?
To here, 83.
83k, that's including the ferry trip.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they weren't that long.
So 83, 15, we're maybe on for including a boat ride, maybe a 100k day. It's quite a big ride. Ooh, that looks good. So this is veg chili.
Yeah.
And
Guacamole.
Guacamole.
And cheese and
Goodness.
goodness. Yeah. Don't tell me you're doing a falafel update.
I've just found out there are also falafels in the wrap.
That's pleasing you.
It is. I'm starving. So our start tomorrow is to get a ferry from Terraventure across onto Kintyre, so effectively Tarbet. There's two ways to get to Terraventure. There's the road in the valley, or there's up here. And so we're climbing our way up at the moment. And we'll end up sort of on a similar height to over there. Get up onto this ridge line for about 15k. There's a couple of lochs, small lochs, a little bit further, where we hope to camp, get a swim. Still climbing this hill, although it's starting to flatten out. Valley's behind us, and look at that trail starting to level out a bit. That is a happy sight. pretty stunning, isn't it? Saying hi to my shadow. Must be getting knackered. Oh, check that view out. We're under 3k to go. It's mostly downhill. This trail has kicked our ass. Every time you think that you're going to the top, you get round the next corner and there's another hill. But I think it's downhill all the way now. It's so loose. It's just ridiculous. I see water. Oh, wow. Gets deep quite quick. Oh, that is good stuff. I guess this is the reward for all those hills. The swim was amazing. It's exactly what I needed after a long day ride. A good tip is make sure you have your warm stuff out before you actually go in the water, so you don't have to hunt around to find it. And when you are getting out, take care of where you put your feet, because we're going to have to get that patched up. And there's quite a lot of sheep poo about as well. Anyway, midges, flies, need to get dried, and it's time for tea. Grass.